Did you happen to notice that I'm a man of fortune? I mean, I'm a very, very rich man. I'm not saying it money-wise. Actually, I'm penniless. But I'm very rich because I have C++ 17, 20, 23, CUDA, SQL, OpenCL, also Intel TBB. I'm rich, not in money-wise, but in technology. Also, I'm very happy man because I like to learn something new and new technology. In this playlist, if you have watched it, episode 001, install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022, also GNU G++, LLVM Clang. If you installed these compilers on your machine, you are ready to follow my current session. Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is June 18th, 2022. This is my third episode for C++ 17, 20, 23, and other technologies. In this episode, we will install Intel oneAPI Threading Building Blocks version Intel TBB 12 standalone version. We will also install Visual Studio Code, C++ library extensions, Intel oneAPI Threading Building Block for use with Microsoft Visual C++. We will also install Intel oneAPI Threading Building Block for GNU G++, LLVM Clang++. So we have a lot of things to do in this episode. This download link includes Intel TBB PDF books, also this script. So please double click this link. Because this zip file includes 2 PDF, this is rather big, 124 megabytes. My file and web server is located in the England, so the download speed is a little bit slow. Once downloading is completed, click this button, Show in Folder, unzip it. Extract all. If you double-click this folder includes this installation script, Intel TBB, this book, also ProTBB, this book. I also inserted 2 batch files, GNU VARSPAT, MSVC VARSPAT, also hello CPP. We will install Visual Studio Code first. Double-click this link, download for Windows. Now, show in folder, we will install Visual Studio Code. Double-click it. I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. I will create a desktop icon. Click Next. Install. Finish. Now, close it. We will create a working folder. This is my D drive. New folder, CPP 17, 20, 23, parallel. Right click, pin to quick access. Then double click it, copy the folder path, copy. This is Visual Studio Code. I will drag and drop here, open it, Ctrl plus, open folder, paste the folder path, select folder. I trust. Yes, I trust. So we opened this folder. I will create a new folder, 003, hello TBB. Hit enter. I will just copy and paste. Please note that we downloaded this file, TBB command line, in this folder we will copy hello.cpp, copy, paste it, this new folder, hello TBB, paste it here, back in Visual Studio Code, we can open this file. Click yes. Click install. I will make configuration later. I will close it. We need to make some configuration. Please wait while installing CppExtension pack from Microsoft. Click this button, Settings, Auto Save. We will use Auto Save on focus change. Then save. You can close it. Now we will close Visual Studio Code for the time being. Back in download folder, open this script file. I would close it. In the TBB command line, in this folder, you can find installation instruction.cpp, this file. We just installed Visual Studio Code. Now we need to install C++ library extension. I need one more tool, 7zip. 7zip. I would download this one. Download. Show in folder. Double click 7zip. Yes. Install. Close. Now, in this script again, talkplayfun.com, please double click this link to download C++ library extensions. Double click it. You can double click this link, download the source code. So, we downloaded C++ extensions, show in folder. We will unzip it, this folder, cut, system, DBSoft, paste it here. Now, in downloads, I will delete some files. We don't need it anymore. Also, like this. Now, we will install Intel oneAPI Threading Building Blocks for standalone version. If you double-click this link, Intel oneAPI Threading Building Block oneTBB, this is for Windows. I would select offline. Double-click this link. Please note that this is a standalone version. If we install Intel oneAPI Data Parallel C++ compiler, we don't need standalone version. But I will install Intel oneAPI Data Parallel C++ compiler sometime later. When Intel release Arc GPU device to general public, then I would install Intel oneAPI Data Parallel C++ compiler. Until then, I would use standalone version. Now, show in folder, double click it. Yes, extract. Continue. I accept the terms of license agreement. Continue. Click next. I do not consent to the collection of my information. Install. The following tools have been installed successfully. Intel oneAPI Threading Building Blocks. Check this button. Finish. Please keep this document in a safer place, such as C++ in your favorite. Now close it. Now we need to create environment variables for C++ extension and Intel oneAPI TBB. Right click, search, environ, Edit System Environment Variables Control Panel. Environment Variables, New, Include, Browse Directory, This PC, System, DevSoft CppExtension, Include. Select this folder, click OK. We need one more. In your File Explorer, System, Program Files x86, Intel, oneAPI, TBB, latest, include. Copy this folder path, copy, semicolon, paste. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now, we will make this batch file. In your downloaded folder, TBB command line, in this folder, you can find this batch file. I will explain how to make this batch file. Now, left click Start button, scroll down. You can find Visual Studio 2022, x86 native tool command prompt, right click, more, open file location, then right click, copy, paste it. We will rename. This is for MSVC command line. Change the name like this. Copy this. Paste it here. This is for GNU and Clang. Now, right-click MSVC, Properties. We will change the icon, this one. Click OK, Apply. We will set starting folder for CPP 17-20-23 parallel. Copy this, Control A, paste, apply. Font, I will make it bigger font. Layout, I would make it 150. This is 40. Apply. Click OK. Now double click it. It looks like this. In the CPP 17-20-23 parallel this folder. Now close it. Right click. Properties. Copy this text string. Copy this. Copy. Using your editor, I would close it. Paste. Save it on your desktop. This is MSVC-vals.bat. save. Now here echo op. We will call like this. Okay, we need one more. In the system program files, Intel oneAPI TBB latest env copy this path, paste it here, quote, call. But we need this file name too. Copy, paste like this. That's not all. Right click, edit. Here we have to provide two arguments. Architect, we select Intel 64. We have to provide two arguments. The first argument is architect. We will provide Intel 64 here. Then we provide Visual Studio 2019. Please understand that we installed Visual Studio 2022, but Visual Studio 22 is comparable, binary comparable with Visual Studio 2019, so we can provide Visual Studio 2019 here. Now echo for Microsoft Visual C++ compiler. Now save it. Yes, we created this file and saved it on desktop. In the File Explorer once again, System, Windows, copy, paste it here. Continue. Please note that we copy and pasted MSVC vals.bat in this folder. So right click, Properties, here, delete this part, MSVC vals.bat. I would copy this for your reference. Like this. Now apply. OK. Double click it. You should see this message. Now cd 003 hello TBB. We test CL EHSC SCD C++17 hello.cpp. Please understand that we have to provide TBB 12.lib. Please remember this lib file. Then fem.exe, hit enter. You should be able to build successfully. cls m hello world. Now in Visual Studio Code, The file looks like this. Ctrl+Shift+P, edit configuration JSON, this file. Here, quote, dollar, include, /2 don't miss, comma here. Don't miss this comma here. Okay. Now, change the focus. The squiggle goes away. This is actually like this. Or task 1. This is the first task. Okay, this is lambda. Or task 2. Say hello world 1, hello world 2. We provide task 1, task 2. So we execute task 1 and task 2 in parallel, simultaneously. We build once again. So we built successfully. I will copy this, copy, paste it here for your reference. Now we will install Intel oneAPI Threading Building Blocks for use with GNU G++ LLVM Clang. Please note that I assume you have watched episode 2 and installed GNU G++ LLVM Clang on your machine. Otherwise, please double-click this link and watch my previous video installing GNU G++ LLVM Clang and install the required tools on your machine. In the File Explorer, System C, DevSoft M64, MinGW64 double-click it. I will make it bigger. pacman QS TBB. Hit enter. We are searching TBB in existing installation. We can remove this like this. pacman RS paste. Sorry, I need to remove this like this. Hit enter. So, do you want to remove these packages? Hit enter. We removed. I will copy this, copy, and paste it here. Remove existing TBB installation. I will delete this. Now, here again, pacman SS. We are searching in the package archive for TBB. We have a lot of choice. Pay attention to oneAPI, 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 oneAPI. Pay attention to oneAPI. This is oneAPI, but this is 32-bit. This is oneAPI. So we will install this package. Copy, pacman S, paste, hit enter. Proceed with the installation, hit enter. we installed. This is for GNU G++. I would say this is for GNU G++. Here again, pacman SS TBB. We just installed this component. Please pay attention to installed. Now, oneAPI, Clang 64, x86 64. So we need this package. Copy pacman s, paste, hit enter, hit enter. So we installed Intel TBB for Clang. Copy. I would paste it here. This is actually the same. Please understand that this script is included in this zip file. I will update this zip file after filming this video. Now clear pacman qs tbb. We are checking if TBB is installed properly on our machine. So this TBB is oneAPI Threading Building Blocks for Clang compiler. This TBB is for GNU G++. We properly installed. Now we can close it. In the desktop, this is for Microsoft. We need another one. Close it. This is for GNU. Right click, properties. I will change the icon. I will use star. This star. Click OK. Apply. Now the icon changes to star. Font 20. Layout 150. Height 40. Click Apply. General. Shortcut. We need to create another batch file. In your editor, create new. We will put some text here. First off, we need this. Copy. Paste it here. Echo op. Call fix like this. We also need to set path. There should not be space between path and equal. There should not be any blank space. %GNU path %semicolon path. We have to add this command. Echo for GNU, G++, and LLVM Clang++. Now save it. Select desktop, GNU VALS BAT. Save. Here again, this is now, delete this part, GNU VALS dot bat. I would copy this and paste it in this script here for your reference. I will save it all. Yes. Then don't forget, we have to copy this to Windows. Copy, paste it here. Continue in the Windows folder. Type. I sorted by type. Then you should be able to find MSVC VALS bat. Sorry, I've done something stupid. Delete this. We don't need this. Continue. We have to copy this. Copy. Paste it here. Continue. So, in the System C drive, Windows, type, you should be able to find two batch file, MSVC VALS bat, GNU VALS bat. Now, apply. Select this folder, CPP 17 20 23 parallel. We need to copy this path. Copy. In the start in, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Apply. OK. Double click it. dir cd 003. Hello, TBB. We will try with the Clang compiler, std, C++17. Hello.cpp. We need to specify LTBB 12. Okay. Or c.exe. Hit enter. Something wrong. Sorry, I forgot two things. We haven't made this environment variable. Right click, search, environ, edit system environment variables. Environment variables. We will create new GNU path. Copy this. This is correct. Here, start, system, DevSoft MC64, select USR, bin, copy the path, paste it here, semicolon. Please understand that this path comes before system DevSoft MC64 minzw64 bin. Copy this path. Don't forget semicolon here. Paste. I will copy this. Click OK. 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 Now, in this file, I specified GNU this path. Okay, so if you download this zip file, everything is included. Once again, double click it, dir cd 003 hello TBB Clang SDD 17. This command switch is compulsory, mandatory, required. Then hello.cpp LTBB 12 or c.exe. Hit enter. I'm very sorry. I forgot one thing more. Very sorry. System DevSoft CppExtension include copy this path, right click, search, environment, edit the system environment variables, new, paste it here. It should be C plus include path. Copy this. I should set here. I specified. Okay. It should be this path like this. So if you download this file, you can get every necessary information. Back here, okay. Now we have to close it. Start this command prompt once again. cd 003 hello TBB Clang minus STD C++ 17 hello.cpp LTBB 12 or c.exe. Hit enter. CLSC. Everything works perfectly. Now copy this. Copy. I will paste it here. This is for Clang compiler. In the same manner, we can say G, hit enter. CLSG, GNU compiler also works. Copy this, paste it here. By the way, why Hello World 2 is displayed twice? We displayed only once, but Hello World 2 is displayed twice. Weird. We can fix this problem later. I will post this script in my file server. If you click this button and download this zip file, everything is included. Now drag this command prompt on your taskbar. Also drag this command prompt on your taskbar. We will use this command prompt all the time in the future sessions.